Jai Gurudev students. Into the last class, we learned about the bare bones of Python. Into the bare bones, we learn expression, statement, comments, function, block, and indentation. So these all are the important parts of the program. In today's class, we going to learn about the variables. So what is the variable and what is its importance into the Python program? So that we will know about it. तो वेरिएबल क्या है और ये क्यों हमारे प्रोग्राम्स के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट्स होते हैं, ये सारी चीज़ें आप सीखेंगे। तो वेरिएबल एक तरह से क्या करते हैं, ये हमारे कंटेनर की तरह होते हैं, मतलब किसी भी वैल्यू को कंटेन करके रखते हैं। दैट इज कॉल्ड द वेरिएबल. सो दैट इज ओनली अ मेमोरी लोकेशन नेम. एक तरह से मेमोरी लोकेशंस का नाम होता है जहां पर डिफरेंट टाइप्स की वैल्यू स्टोर होती है. डिफरेंट टाइप्स मीन्स हमने अलग अलग डेटा टाइप पढ़ा हुआ है. जैसे हमारे पास है स्ट्रिंग डेटा टाइप, integer, float, double, these all are the data type we have. So the variable are able to store such type of value. So that is called the variable. तो वेरिएबल सिंपल सा फंडा है कि वो एक तरह के मेमोरी लोकेशंस को एक नाम दिया जाता है, क्योंकि कंप्यूटर में मेमोरी लोकेशंस के नाम अलग अलग होते हैं, 110121. सो दैट इज अ टाइप ऑफ अ मेमोरी नेम. सो इसको सिंपल तरीके से कोई नाम असाइन करने के लिए दैट देयर वी यूज द वेरिएबल नेम like A, B, C, sum. So these all are the variable name. So now just we clear its definition. What is the definitions of variable? So variable is a name given to a memory location. So this, what is this? This is a name to a memory location. तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, वेरिएबल से मेमोरी लोकेशन को एक नाम दे रहे हैं. A variable can consider as container which holds value. So what is this? This is actually a container, so that can able to hold the value. Python is a type infer language. That means you don't need to specify the data type of variable. So into the Python, we no need to define its data type. Means the variable will take which type of value. That is only in Python. There you directly define a variable without define its data type. तो Python केवल एक ऐसी लैंग्वेज है जिसमें बिना किसी डेटा टाइप के डिक्लेयर आप डायरेक्टली कोई भी वैल्यू असाइन कर सकते हैं. जब वैल्यू इसमें असाइन हो जाती है तो देन इट विल define the type of variable. So that is a good programming and very simple programming. So you no need to identify which type of value we will assign into the variable. It can directly define when you assign a value. So Python automatically get the variable data type, so that can automatically get the data type depending upon the value assigned to the variable. So which type of value you will define, so it will automatically identify its data type. So that is only in Python programming. And other language like C, C++, Java, in each and every programming language we have to first define the data type, then we define the variable name. But into the Python you only define the variable name. Clear about it? So now we see some examples of variables. So assigning value to the variable. Look at here. This is the name. What is the variable name? Name. There we are assigning the Python in single quotes. So when we assign any value with single quotes, so the Python will be treat that value as a string. Which type of data type it is? it is a data type of string. So you can see there this hash is indicating for the comments purpose. Clear? What is the data type of that variable. So name is a which type of data type? It is string data type. तो यहाँ पे नेम क्या है? एक स्ट्रिंग डेटा टाइप. कैसे हमने आइडेंटिफाई किया? बिकॉज दैट वैल्यू is assigned with single quotes. So that clear. Next you can see there sum equal none, none value. So what is this meaning? There is no any value, means a variable without value. So that variable have nothing, that is a none. Clear? Next, when we create a equal 23, any value you can assign. So there is assigned 23. So the a variable is type of integer data type. तो a किस type का variable हुआ? That is integer data type. Next, there we are assigning b equal 6.2 float. So what is the b? B is float type of value. Whenever we assign any decimal value to variable, so that is treated like float. Understood? So this is a way. So when we identify sum equal a plus b and print sum, so it will execute the what? Additions of a and b. Clear? Okay, so that is the definitions of variable. So you note down that definitions with some examples. So this is the definitions of variable. So whenever I'm asking you what is the definitions of variable, so you will write that definition and with some examples. Now into the Python you can also assign multiple value. Clear? So multiple values you can assign and multiple variable you can also declare in a Python. So you can see there some examples. So multiple assignment, what is? Assign a single value to many variables. So one value you can assign to the multiple variables. So that is the multiple assignment. So there you can see there a equal b equal c equal 1. So a, B, C have which value? 1. So single value to multiple variables. So A, B, C have which value? 1. So this is the multiply assignments. Clear? And you can also see we can also assign multiple value to multiple variables. So there A and B both are the different, both are also separate with the comma. A comma B equal 1 comma 2. So A have 1 and B have 2. So there multiple value to assign multiple variables. So A have a 1 and B have 2. So both are different values. And there you can also see A comma B equal B comma A. So what happened with this? So A, there is swapping, means swapped value of A and B is swapped. A और B की वैल्यू स्वैप हो गई, चेंज हो गई, एक्सचेंज हो चुकी है यहाँ पे. वो कैसे? Like this, A B and B A means A now have B value, means now the A have 2 and B have 1. So very easy method into the Python. Without using the third variable, you directly swap the value. That is on you can do only into the Python. In other language you have to use the third variable, but there you can directly exchange, swap the value. Clear? So this is the definitions of variable. So we have single assignments you learned and multiple assignments also you learned. Next is the variable scope and lifetime in Python program. Variable scope and lifetime means कब तक एक variable में value बनी हुई रहती है प्रोग्राम में, आप कब तक उसे यूज कर सकते हैं, that is called the lifetime. Clear? And scope means how much time you can use that particular variable value and how much time it will into the program. So there is two types of variable you can declare. That is, first is local variable and second is global variable. So how many types of variable you can declare? There are two types. You can declare local variable and global variable. Clear? So local variable, its scope only within the function. After that function, you can never use that particular value. But the global value and global variable value you can use into the entire program beginning to end. So that's why there is two type, local variable and global variable. Look at with example. We can see now the example, like that is a definition. Means definition, this is the function name. So with the keyword of diff we can declare a function. So in this function, the function name, this is the function name. There I am assign x have 8. So x have which value 8, and now I am executing that value of x. So print x, so it will execute the 8. But you can see this is the local variable. It can work only in this function. But if we execute the function, so it will execute that value. Clear? But when we again, this is the scope, मीन्स यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि ये इसका स्कोप है, ये फंक्शन के अंदर ही इसका स्कोप है, मतलब बस जब आप फंक्शन यूज करेंगे सो दैट कैन एबल टू प्रिंट द 8. बट जब आप इसे प्रिंट एक्स करेंगे, ये प्रिंट एक्स, तो इट विल एग्जीक्यूट द एरर बिकॉज ये हमारे फंक्शन के बाहर है. ये फंक्शन बस इसी में है, फंक्शन के अंदर बस डिक्लेयर किया गया है 8. तो जब हम इसको कॉल करेंगे फंक्शन को, तब यह 8 की वैल्यू एग्जीक्यूट करेगा. बट डायरेक्टली ये फंक्शन से बाहर हमने डायरेक्ट प्रिंट मेथड यूज किया, प्रिंट एक्स, सो इट विल एग्जीक्यूट द एरर बिकॉज इट इज डोंट नो अबाउट द एक्स. एक्स के पास कौन सी वैल्यू है, क्या है ये, दैट इज नॉट आइडेंटिफाइड. सो दैट इज द स्कोप. तो केवल x इक्वल टू 8 इट विल वर्क ओनली विथ इन दिस फंक्शन. जब ये फंक्शन ही कॉल होगा तभी बस काम करेगा. बट जब हम उसको अलग से यूज करना चाहेंगे x को, तो दैट विल never work. So that is called the scope and this is called the local variable. But how you can declare the global variable? You can see this. Global variable हमने functions के पहले ही लिख दिया, x is equal to 8. Clear? And there is diff. So you can use the x, means print x, so it will execute the 8. एंड जब इसको आप बाहर भी कॉल करेंगे, सो दैट कैन ऑल्सो एबल टू एग्जीक्यूट दैट. तो आउटसाइड फंक्शन भी वर्क करेगा, इनसाइड फंक्शन भी, दोनों तरह से एक्स यूज करेगा. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द ग्लोबल वेरिएबल. नाउ वी सी द डायनेमिक टाइपिंग. मीन्स डायनेमिक वेरिएबल आप कैसे डिक्लेयर कर सकते हो करंट टाइम. So data type of a variable depend change upon the value assigned to a variable on each next statement. Clear? So data type किस पे डिपेंड करता है? Whenever, जब भी आप उसमें वैल्यू को असाइन करते हैं, तो that its type will be defined. So look at here. There x is equals to 25. So which type of data type? That is integer data type. And where x same name there, you see in a Python is case sensitive, means if we declare capital A and small a, so both are the different. But there you can see x, capital X is there, and there is also capital X, so both are the same variable. So x is equals to double quote. So what is this? Is type of string. So x variable data type change to string on just the next line. Now the programmer should be aware that not to write like this. So its data type has been changed, so we can never use like this. What? This is the arithmetic expression, y is equals to x divided 5. Why it will execute the error? Because the x has been changed into a string. इंटीजर टू स्ट्रिंग। ये बदल चुका है, x पहले इंटीजर था बट अब क्या हो चुका है, स्ट्रिंग। तो ये डायनेमिक चेंजेस हो चुके हैं, सो दैट्स व्हाई अब हम स्ट्रिंग के ऊपर कोई न्यूमेरिक ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकते। सो वी आर नेवर यूज द arithmetic operation on string data type, so that's why it will execute the error. So you have to remember it. Clear? Only arithmetic variable means integer and float type of variable you can assign any arithmetic operation. Clear? Not you can perform any arithmetic operation on string data type. So you should remember and you note down these all definitions with example